Okay. We are... I don't know if you can... We are going to go pick Angel up, and then we are going to go for a spa day at Amundsen. Yeah. Yeah, so spa day with Angel today. I'm going to go pick her up. Oops. Bye. Hello. What up? Yay! Hami, we I don't know. You kidding? Okay, so हामी आज spa day को लागि आमन्त्रण आएको छौं. Wow. The parking is very sano. मेरो. Oh wait, you should.
First time as Shriadiko passenger princess.
And cameraman. Oh, मैले तिमीलाई So you can take picture.
Really?
I think this one. This button. Quick. This.
Capture
Quick capture.
Lazum. Let's go. Record कर रखने हो.
Oh, Madhu.
Angel.
Oh no. This is so fun. What? It's not. We're at Amundsen, and our thing is like this. So I'm gonna be laying here, and Angel is going to be. Huh? Where's her thing? Oh. Why do? Okay. This is my first time. Now we're going to wait for Angel to come. Is it Angel? Let's see. Angel, how are you feeling right now?
Great. I'm so awkward.
Okay, room tour.
Oh.
Room tour. So this is हाम्रो reusable kastu. This is
The towel.
राखेर सुत्ने हैन?
Oh.
So wait, हामी बेड्छ and then we sleep. No?
And I think Mati ate the toilet. But whatever, we'll figure it out.
Okay. And if I say हामीले it's breathable.
Go to my face, I'll show.
Oh my god. But I don't think they could.
See, it's just for the.
For mouth breathers.
Oh.
Okay.
Angel को nails दिखाओ. Okay, change.
Yay! Massage done. La. This is so fun. But the recording no made. Wait.